Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to buy Bitcoin with your credit card on Cash App. So first you're going to want to open the Cash App app. And first off, before anything, you want to make sure you have a credit card linked with your Cash App. So it's 2024, so it's going to be a lot easier to be able to just link a card and then buy Bitcoin with it. So you're going to want to go onto the top right, click that, your profile. Scroll down until you see linked banks. And once you see linked banks, you're going to see 3 tabs. You're going to see link debit card, link bank, and link credit card. I already have my debit card linked, but I do not have my credit card. So you're going to want to click link credit card. And if you have a credit card, you're going to want to put all your information in, and then once you have all your information in, the button that says link card should light up, and then you'll be able to press it to link your credit card to Cash App. And that's how you link your credit card to your Cash App. And once you have your credit card linked to your Cash App, you want to go back to the money sign. Then you want to go to the bottom left. You want to click the bottom left where it shows your cash balance. You want to go to Bitcoin. You're going to want to buy Bitcoin. And we're going to just do a custom purchase order for the example of the video. We're going to do $1. And then if you have your credit card linked, to your Cash App, you should be able to choose if you want to use your debit card or your credit card to purchase the Bitcoin. So we're going to confirm that because as you can see, it says funding source Cash App. But if you had more, it would say credit card if you have it linked, or debit card if you don't have your credit card linked. So we're going to press confirm. And once we press confirm, my custom purchase order has been set and done. And just like that, I've bought Bitcoin with my credit card.